Welcome to Section 11, Lesson 7. Vertex form rewrites a quadratic so the vertex is read directly off the equation. Standard form needs an extra calculation to find the vertex. Vertex form has it baked in. The form is y equals a times x minus h all squared plus k. The vertex is the point h, k. The constant a is the same a as in standard form, controlling whether the parabola opens up or down and how wide it is. Two transformations describe a parabola from a standard upward parabola. A shifts the parabola horizontally to the right by h units, h positive. K shifts the parabola vertically up by k units, k positive. Negative eighth or k flips the shift direction. Converting from standard form to vertex form uses completing the square. The procedure is the same as solving by completing the square, but stops one step earlier. Instead of taking a square root, we leave the result in factored, binomial, squared form. Take y equals x minus 2 all squared minus 1. The form already has the vertex baked in, so just read it off. Identify the vertex parameters. H is 2, k is negative 1. The vertex is at the point 2, negative 1, which is the lowest point of this upward opening parabola. The graph confirms the parabola sits with its low point at 2, negative 1. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals 2, passing through the vertex. The general principle: h moves the parabola horizontally with positive h shifting right. K moves the parabola vertically with positive k shifting up. The constant a controls how wide and which way the parabola opens, exactly as in standard form. Convert y equals x squared plus 6x plus 5 to vertex form. The leading coefficient is 1, so completing the square is straightforward. Add and subtract the perfect square completion. B is 6, b over 2 is 3, 3 squared is 9. Add 9 and subtract 9 inside the expression ex squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus 5. Group the perfect square and combine the constants. The first three terms factor as x plus 3 all squared. The remaining constants combine. Negative 9 plus 5 equals negative 4. Read off the vertex. Y equals x plus 3 all squared minus 4. So h is negative 3, k is negative 4. The vertex is at the point negative 3, negative 4, the parabola's minimum. Example 2. Convert y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 5 to vertex form. The leading coefficient is not 1, so factor out of the variable terms first. Factor 2 out of the x terms only, leaving the constant outside. Y equals 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 5. Complete the square inside the parentheses. B inside is negative 4, b over 2 is negative 2 squared is 4. Add and subtract 4 inside 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4, then subtract 2 times 4 outside, plus 5. Simplify. The inside factors as x minus 2 all squared. The outside constant becomes negative 8 plus 5 equals negative 3. The final vertex form is y equals 2 times x minus 2 all squared minus 3. Vertex at 2, negative 3. 3 takeaways for vertex form. Vertex form is y equals a times x minus h all squared plus k. The vertex sits at the point h, k. Read directly off the equation. No additional formula needed once the equation is in vertex form. The three constants describe the parabola completely. H is the horizontal shift. K is the vertical shift. A determines width and direction, exactly as in standard form. Combine them and you can sketch any parabola from its vertex form. Convert from standard form to vertex form by completing the square. If the leading coefficient is not 1, factor it out from the variable terms first. Complete the square inside, then redistribute. Always works on every quadratic.